Are you ready to preview a fully renovated home where the seller spared no expense? Welcome to 15905 Punta Bonaire. I'm Tracy Caslis with Keller Williams Coastal Bend. Let's go up high and inside to take a look. Aside from the beauty and functionality of a chef's kitchen, let me show you the true envy of all your guests. Upstairs, you've got 2 bedrooms with dedicated baths, divided by this quiet loft, not to mention a spacious balcony overlooking the canal. Your outdoor oasis has a pool with both a heater and a chiller, a generator, AstroTurf, Trex decking, a boat lift, a jet ski lift. It has it all. I'm Tracy Caslis. You don't want to miss this one.